Hello students, this is the practical video of class 10th Science chapter number 10 Light, Reflection and Refraction. Students, in this chapter we will see image formation by plane mirror and concave mirror. Materials that will be required for this practical are plane mirror and concave mirror, candle which will act as a light source, screen. For this practical, we must be aware with all the terms like pole, focus, center of curvature, infinity, object and image. First, we are dealing hereby with the plane mirror. Fix the mirror at one point. That point will be referred as pole. Place a burning candle anywhere between pole and infinity. Candle is object here. Now try to focus the image of candle after reflection on the screen. But there is no image formation on screen. It means that the image is forming behind the mirror. That is, image is virtual in nature. Now observe the size of object, that is candle, and the size of image in the mirror. Students, we can see clearly that object size and image size both are equal. Also, image is upright, that is, it is erect. Now observe the distance of object and image from the mirror. We can see that object distance and image distance from the mirror are also equal. Now students, let's conclude all the observations that we have seen. In case of plane mirror, position of image is behind the mirror. Nature of image is virtual and erect. Size of image is same as that of object. Now let's discuss image formation by concave mirror. As we already know that concave mirror is a type of spherical mirror in which it is curved inside. In most of the cases, image formed by concave mirror are real and inverted. Now let's check all the cases here. There are total 6 different cases in case of concave mirror. Case 1. When object is placed at an infinity. In this case, distance after beyond C can be considered as an infinity. Now observe the image on the screen at different position where we are getting sharp image. Yes, we are getting sharp image at focus. Now carefully observe the nature and size of an image. We can infer that image is real because it is forming on the same side of the object. Also, image is inverted and it is highly diminished than the object. Let's discuss case 2. When object is placed beyond C. Students, carefully observe in this case that the position of image that we are getting on screen is between focus and center of curvature. Image formed in this case is real, inverted. When we talk about size, it is smaller than the object. Now students, let's discuss case 3. When object is at center of curvature. In this case, we will be getting image on the screen at center of curvature. Image formed in this case is also real, inverted, and it is of same size of object. Now students, let's discuss case 4. When object is placed between focus and center of curvature. In this case, image is again forming on the screen and its position is beyond C. Nature of image in this case is also real and inverted. When we talk about size, it is enlarged. In case 5, we are placing object at focus. In this case, if we carefully observe the image, it is forming on a screen. its position is at infinity. If we talk about nature of image is real, inverted, and it is highly enlarged than the object. Now students, we are left with our last case, that is when we are placing our object between pole and focus. In this case, image is not forming on screen. Its position is behind the mirror. It means that it is virtual. Image is erect, as you can see. It is also enlarged and it is forming behind the mirror. So, in the end, if we conclude all the observations of concave mirror, we can infer that in 5 of the cases, image formed is real, inverted, but in one case only, image formed is virtual. So students, I hope you have enjoyed this practical. Thank you so much.